Hello Internet, welcome to the second video in the series of free hosting for your domains. In this series we are hosting our websites on free hosting platforms, and we have chosen infinityfree.net for that. We are testing that website out for free web hosting. In the previous video we saw that we added our domain into the add-on domain list of Infinity Free control panel. So what we have here is I have two domains, and both those domains are added onto the list of add-on domains of Infinity Free. So I have an option of installing WordPress on this website now, and this is what we are going to do in this video. So once you have your domains added on to the add-on domains list in Infinity Free, you go back to home, and please scroll down and go to software. In software, click on Softaculous apps installer. It'll open up a new tab. So we wish to install WordPress on the domain that we just parked onto this web hosting provider. So you have an option of installing any CMS. By the way, you can install WordPress, PrestaShop, Joomla, OpenCard, etc., CubeCard. But we'll go ahead with WordPress. So I'll click WordPress. Okay, it says install now. Click on install now. Once you click on install now, it'll ask you to select the domain. This is the domain that ebullion.info that we just parked. We just imported this domain into our free hosting providers control panel. So you can select HTTP here, because http://ebullion.info is the minimalistic domain name that is displayed on the browsers. Instead of selecting www, just go ahead with HTTP. And please do not install this WordPress into some subfolder, so just delete this. Otherwise it'll be installed in http://ebullion.info/wp. So we do not wish to do that. And what should be the name of the website? So I'll go ahead and enter site description. You could add any site description. You could change it later on. So I'll say putting art to work, and then you need to select the password. So I'm gonna write a password. And please note down this password somewhere, and the admin's email is where I'll put my own email, and the language is English. And you could select a theme right here, but I have chosen a theme already, so I have downloaded the zipped file for the theme already. So I'll tell you how you can install that theme. But currently this is what is required to be done on the first page. You simply need to select HTTP, you choose the domain on which you wish to install WordPress, and then you give the site name, site description, admin username, password, admin email, etc., and click on install. And email installation details to my own email, I'll click on install. And this is super fast, by the way, and this will not take much time in installing. Now this says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So the administrative URL always remains the name of the website followed by wp/admin, and you could check the website is already live. And this is also what is needed to log in onto the WordPress. So this administrative URL is the URL which is required to log in into your WordPress, and this is of course your website. The website currently looks like this, which is the default thing, and this is the dashboard of your domain which is currently installed WordPress on it. So this WordPress site is completely raw. It does not have anything to it. It looks like this. This is the name of the website, and this is the tag which we entered on the first page during installation. So other than that, it does not have anything. So what we'll do is we'll simply go to appearance, we go to themes, and it does not have many themes. You can add themes, you can search for installed themes, you can but what I'll do is I'll add the theme from the option upload theme, and I'll choose a file. Now this is a one-page theme which I downloaded from the internet for free, so I'm going to install this. I'll click on install now. But the fact of the matter is you can get as many choices as you want from this drop down also, and the theme is installed, and you simply click on activate, and all the features of the themes will be available to you. And that being said, this is how you need to install WordPress onto your new website using Softaculous. And Softaculous is found in the control panel of the hosting provider. So you go to cPanel, you go to software, and Softaculous apps installer will give you the option to install WordPress there. And after that you can pretty much do whatever you like to do with your theme. And in the coming videos I'll also see once the theme is changed. So this is a one-page theme, and I can customize the theme from here, and I'll make more detailed videos as to how you can build your website from a very basic theme like we have here, with all the menus and all the drop downs, and what are the first steps that you need to take care of, and some other interesting plugins for WordPress will be discussed in the coming videos. And I hope you liked the contents of the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It'll be a great help. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.